Hi, my name is Jacob Burkel. My groupmates are Benjamin Mazzelli, Kenny Alvarez, Hamza Stiqui, and Patrick Sherbundi. And our project is called Groupr. What is Groupr? Groupr is an all-in-one stop shop for group management. It aims to assist students to work together smoothly. To accomplish this, Groupr allows users to create and view multiple group projects, invite group members via email or QR code, set up meeting times that work with availabilities, track attendance with QR code, set member responsibilities and keep track of group progress, and upload and share files, as well as allowing users to communicate via group chat.
These are the stages of development that the project will go through, with beginning with stage 1 is analysis, is where we analyze on the required features that the group project manager might require and what it may need for it to work properly and as intended. And then the next stage is design, where we create the basic layout and plan on how it will function together. Then the next stage is the actual coding and development, where the project work is divided up between the team members, and each of us will work individually and all these features. And then the last stage will be testing, is where we really test our program and our project to look for bugs that we missed and fix all the errors in order for it to work as intended.
As far as the technology goes, we'll be using Discord to communicate through the server that we created. We'll be using Google Drive and GitHub to share important documents and code with one another. We'll be using Trello to manage our responsibilities within the code itself, and of course Draw.io to create all the lovely charts that you will be seeing. And now we come to our use case diagram. As you can see, new users can register into our database, which makes them an existing user, allowing them to log into our system. If at any point a user forgets their password, they can use our Forgot Password service to create an entirely new password. Once they are logged in, they can view the various group projects that they're a part of. From there, they can create a new group project and invite members through email or by using a QR code. Once the project exists, group members can message each other via messaging system, upload and view shared files, see group member responsibilities, and schedule meetings.
This is the Gantt chart for our project. The first week was spent brainstorming the project, the stack that will be used, and the methods that we will utilize to complete each task. The week during and after spring break was spent finalizing our presentation, and the team will start development on the core features very soon. The current plan is to spend 2 weeks on each feature and a third week for testing and debugging. This Gantt chart is subject to change and will update to reflect group progress as we move on.
This is our ERD chart. So we have users, and we begin with a user ID, email, password, username for each user. This is very similar to our other setup for the contacts manager, except the addition of a username. We also have our is email verified and is valid password functions that we plan to have. And the user ID connects to the user ID, which holds the group service variables and data. So that being groups, which groups the user is associated with, and their password and username as well. We're going to have functions such as create group, search groups, leave group, join group, and they can click on their groups and see, or click on one of the groups, and that takes you to the group, which has a group ID and a group name, and then the messages in that group. So very similar to kind of like a Slack looking thing, or maybe Discord. And that, as far as like what you see with the messages, and then you can click on a message or messages of the group to see the messages and the sent and received messages. So this is our ERD, kind of a broad scope of our project that we're undertaking.
Monetization. We plan on including in-app advertisements. Our goal with them is to not have them be too intrusive. An app that shows a good example of this would be Duolingo. Those ads show after each lesson and they don't impact the everyday use of the app. We want the main point of upgrading to premium to not be annoyance of ads.